Nakuba bechitha usuku lukaKhisimusi kulezi ikhungo ngaphandle kwemndeni yabo, kodwa umuzwa kaKhisimusi uphezulu.
The day started very perfectly. Open our presents, celebrate it's Christmas.
Abanikazi bezikhungo banxuse uxhaso kuhulumeni.
We've survived 2 years of a very, very dry funding season, especially from government funding. But we're very excited that the new MEC is making the right noises.
We rely on the funding from either the government, which gives us a big percentage anyway for subsidy, which is unreliable. For the past years, there have been challenges with that one. But the community as well, whatever they give in terms of funding, we really appreciate it.
Kusenjalo, izakhamuzi zasemjondolo yaseVakabheki kwaNomzamo sichitha usuku lukaKhisimusi zakha kabusha emjondolo yazo ecekeleke phansi ngesikhathi kuqubuka umlilo. Kusho nowesilisa oneminyaka engama-30 uvuyo lothi sicwala kulesi sigameko, kwathi abantu abangaphezulu kwekhulu basala dengwane.
Okubuhlungu because besingayilindelanga nathi uba mhlawumbe uzosoleka yabo besicimba mhlawumbe uzodophelela esibhedlela.
Kusolwa ubudedengu ngokuthungeleka kwalomlilo.
Abantu abekho responsible, abantu bayasela babuye ebusuku, so abantu xa besele umuntu afuna upheka inyama, fortunately kanti upheka inyama kanti uyalala.
Inhlangano iGift of the Givers yelule isandla kuzisulu zomlilo.
We could see yesterday children going through the rubble to see what they could save. Unfortunately, there was a huge, the emotions were very high on site. So we just thought to bring that festive joy and to bring smiles to their faces. We came today along with our own Gift of the Givers Father Christmas to deliver them some sweet packs. And then we brought some hot meals for the families.
Umnyango wezokuhlaliswa kwabantu ubhalise izisulu zomlilo wathembisa ukuzisiza ukwakha kabusha.